What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favre. In today's video, guys, it's another one on Ethereum Classic ETC, which has pumped up in value, nearly 13% up in the last 24 hours. However, as you guys can clearly see, it started up this afternoon about a couple of hours ago, going from about $31 right now, trading at $36. So where is it going to next? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? Or is it just going to fluctuate at the current price range? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at its next prediction. Is it time to hold? Is it time to sell? Is it time to buy? And looking at where it's heading to over the next couple of hours, so over the next few days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high or how low Ethereum Classic can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I want to try and hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can clearly see, we are on the Coinbase website, and in the last 24 hours the market is up just about a percentage. However, Ethereum Classic has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list and is indeed the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it managed to gain nearly 5% in value, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 13%, over the week 10%, and over the month it has just about gone down 2%. It's been very volatile, but we can clearly see it's been more or less trading towards the negative direction. As you can see, there was a point where it was worth $44, $45 back in mid-August. Took a major drop here on the 19th of August, another drop here on the 26th of August, and right now trading at $36. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 130% in the last 24 hours, making it $873 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ethereum Classic. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention. As you can see, 55% buy against 45% sell. So we do have a lot of people selling it, potentially taking out their profits and reinvesting their money into Ethereum Classic when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Ethereum Classic at $33, well, just under 34. However, it is trading at just about $36, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So far so good, guys. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into that, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can clearly see that the blue line and the orange line are very steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very, very positive. However, the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last 3-4 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value below the $35 mark. However, I'm also expecting it to peak up in value, potentially to about $38, $39 dollars over the coming hours. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall increase in value on Ethereum Classic. However, it's not going to be a major increase. It's going to be very minimal. Only reason is we have to bear in mind the dips that is going to go through as well. I'm expecting more red candlesticks to appear over the coming hours, and then green candlesticks as well. So both red and green candlesticks. But once again, the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, once again, exact same, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. Exact same reason as the previous chart, but the overall outcome, I'm expecting it to be negative towards the end of this week. Again, Doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down. But the overall outcome, once again, I am expecting it to be more on the negative side. So potentially dropping below the $34 to $33 mark is what I'm expecting towards the end of the week. It's going to be a slow and steady drop over the next 7 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we are not looking as steep as the previous two charts, which means it's much more realistic. And yes, we got the blue line looking bullish, going towards a positive direction. However, the orange line is still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about mid-October to late October. We should expect this crypto to more or less fluctuate between $34 to $35. However, this all depends on how the crypto market performs in general. Obviously, with Bitcoin, if it does drop to 10-15k, then we are going to see major drops. However, if Bitcoin decides to pump up to about 30-35k, then yes, we are going to see major increases on the crypto market, which hopefully we should see. But so far, guys, I'm expecting a slow and steady increase in value on Ethereum Classic over the coming weeks, and potentially heading to around $50 to $60 towards the end of the year and very early next year. And now, the big question, guys, when is Ethereum Classic likely to hit the $100 mark? Guys, not this year. I'm not expecting anything like that from Ethereum Classic this year. However, obviously, if there are major pumps, major bull runs on the whole crypto market, then it is likely we may see Ethereum Classic, but nothing like that is predicted as of yet anyway. So let's say around towards the beginning to mid next year is when I'm expecting Ethereum to head up to about $100 mark. However, it all depends on how the crypto market performs. And guys, make sure to stay subscribed to the channel, as I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis every single day on different cryptos, and especially on the whole crypto market in general, on my predictions and my takes on Ethereum Classic as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and also turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone, which is not looking too great. However, we are not too far off from hitting the green zone. For us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $45, which we did hit earlier on in August, as you guys can see here. And then once we did hit the resistance target, well, we hit it twice, once in very late July, as you can see here, and then again in August, and we dropped back down, we resisted and dropped back down. And the next time we do hit the green zone, there's no doubt that we are very likely to resist and drop back down again. But the whole point is that we need to find a spot where we are going to break out from the $45 mark and head upwards into the green zone. Hopefully towards the end of the year, early next year is when I'm expecting that to take place. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ethereum Classic. Let me know what your predictions are. What is the highest and lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So let me know, and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Ethereum Classic update. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.